aren't able to make airplanes do, and Skip Stewart is doing it for you here today. After completing his bachelor's degree in space administration, Skip went on to fly for a regional airline. Years later, he was hired to fly in the corporate flight department.
Well, they're not going to be ready this time.
Company. Now, watch him as he does this incredible slow roll across the show line.
He's going to cut the ribbons with the plane. Let's go take a look. Okay, here he comes. He's going to cut the ribbons. He's upside down. He's upside down. Got it. He got it, didn't he? He cut the ribbon. They had a big ribbon up there to cut it. Kevin out there? Okay, don't go get the other ribbon now. He's a good flyer, isn't he? Helicopter. They're going to cut another ribbon, isn't he?
12 feet off the ground.
Here he comes. He's going to cut the last